What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. We got our boy Steven. So for anybody that doesn't know, this is actually my older brother. So right now, guys, we're in a U-Haul, and I'll show you guys later, but the BRZ right now is on a hitch right behind us, and he actually works for Subaru, for a Subaru dealership. So right now we're in the process of trying to get the BRZ fixed. I haven't posted any videos of the car in a while, or any updates or anything like that, and I haven't told you guys what's going on. So right now we're gonna bring the car to his Subaru dealership, and they're gonna take a look at it and basically tell me what's wrong with the car, and we're gonna try to see if we can get the car fixed. I did want to go with the stage 2 bill block, but it's gonna be too expensive right now for me to afford. So yeah, this thing is sketch.
Yeah, it's just a very
very big dip right there. But anyways, guys, so we're on our way to Subaru right now. It's an hour drive, hour 13 minutes. So that's basically what's going on. I'm gonna update you guys more when we know more. Wish us luck. It's a bit of a far drive, so, and it was a headache to get this car on the freaking thing, so it's a struggle, man. It's a struggle.
The struggle is real, bro.
Yeah, but humongous shout out to my brother for helping me out. I wouldn't have been doing this if it wasn't for him, so really do appreciate him.
Don't get emotional, bro. It's all good.
So stay tuned, guys. I'll try to get some cinematics and stuff like that. It's gonna be a long drive. It's not gonna be too eventful today, so I'll try to make it interesting for you guys, so stay tuned.
One hour later.
Alright, guys, we just made it to the dealership. Everything was okay. It's pretty safe. We're about to unload the car right now, so I'll probably just show you guys a quick clip of us unloading the car, and hopefully it goes well. We'll see how it goes. Alright, guys, so we just dropped the car off. So the guys there are really cool, man. So shout out to all those guys over there. One of them actually followed my my YouTube. If you're seeing this, what's up, bro? But so we dropped the car off. I told them what the issue was. It's not that the engine was blown. The car runs, it starts, you can put it in gears and you can drive it, but it sounds really bad. Like you guys heard it in the other video, and we think it's a valve spring. I told them if they can salvage at least the block. If they can do that, then I can get upgraded valve springs. I'll put in the car, which is like what failed on the car to begin with. So that's what I plan on doing, and hopefully that's what they can do. I'm not trying to like break my pockets, but you know, I want to have my car running again. So that's basically where we're at right now. And I know what's going on with the car. I'm gonna update you guys. For now, I'm gonna just leave this video where it is. It was a really short, quick update video.
If you guys need a BRZ or a WRX or any Subaru, I got you.
What's it called?
I work at Victory
Subaru. If you guys are from New Jersey, you're looking for a hookup, ask for my brother Stedman. He'll hook you up.
Give you a family discount.
He'll give you a family discount. So if you're looking for a new car, you know, make sure to check them out. Humongous
Or
shout
just
out to
work,
him.
yeah.
I appreciate him, you know. He's really helped me out, so, you know, he freaking drove the car there. He came down like super early. He's just really, really helped me out a lot, and I appreciate him for that. So, you know, huge shout out to him. But I'm gonna close the video out there, guys. I hope to see you in the next video with an update video, and hopefully the car, maybe not, we'll see. But stay tuned. You got anything to say?
Nah, like I said, come see. You can follow your boy over here.
Of course, you already know what it is.
And if you guys need anything, you know, come see me, Victory Subaru. I'll take good care of you guys.
Awesome.
And even if you need a new car, you can come and if you need work on your car done, we'll take care of you.
All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
4 in the morning, know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent, smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy, balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly, vibing out, you can find me at the telly, the drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty, know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding, lanes I be